everyone, welcome to EduTales English Learning Tutorials. Today, we will learn about types of pronoun in detail. During the videos, note down all the keywords which will be helpful to you in improving your English. Pause the video wherever required for better understanding. Let's understand types of pronoun as follows: personal pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, relative pronoun, which we have already covered in our previous video. Now let's understand indefinite pronoun, reflexive pronoun, intensive pronoun, and possessive pronoun. Next type of pronoun is indefinite. As its name shows, it does not refer to a particular person, place, or thing. This is the largest group of pronouns. If you are learning English as a second language, remember the following common indefinite pronouns: another, either, anybody, enough, little, anything, each, neither, other, little, somebody, nobody, none. All these are used singularly, whereas words like both, few, fewer, many, other, several are used as plurals. All, any, more, most, none, such, some are the words which are used in singular as well as plural forms. For example, somebody forgot to bring the map. Here, somebody is non-specific and it denotes a singularity. Please take some lemons to Mrs. D'Souza. Here, some do not specify people, so it can be both singular or plural. After the story of the plane crash hit the news, many called to know for loved ones. Here, many is showing plural form for more people. Next type of pronoun is reflexive pronoun. It comes when the subject performs its action upon itself. Example: oh, I said itself, which is a reflexive pronoun. The words which will end in self or selves and is used in reference to another pronoun comes in the category of reflexive pronoun. It is used in writing myself, yourself, herself, himself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. For example, the puppy bit itself. Here, the reflexive pronoun itself refers back to the noun the puppy. Are you talking to yourself? In this example, the reflexive pronoun yourself refers back to the pronoun you. Next type of pronoun is intensive pronoun. It emphasizes or intensify nouns and pronouns but do not act as the object in the sentence. They can appear right after the subject. They typically end in self or selves, such as myself, himself, herself, themselves, itself, yourself, yourselves, and ourselves. For example, we went to listen to Obama himself. Here, the intensive pronoun himself refers back to the noun Obama. I myself find pronouns fascinating. Here, the intensive pronoun myself refers back to the pronoun I. The last type of pronoun is possessive pronoun. In English, possessive pronouns are words that replaces a noun and are used to indicate possession or ownership. They are mine, yours, his, hers, ours, yours, theirs, its. For example, the tickets are ours. Here, ours represents the noun phrase the tickets and tells readers that we own them. This paper is mine, not yours. Here, mine represents the noun paper as its owner tells readers that it's not of yours or other person. Here, the sentences are mixed. Let's revise. Please make sure to pause the video whenever required to learn the definitions or the concepts and to understand the examples more clearly. Do like, Subscribe and stay tuned for more easy English lessons in our upcoming series. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Thank you.